You've already said, as I understand it, you've closed about half of your stores. Give us a sense of the process. When you decide to close a store, is that coming, are the governments sort of advising you to do that? Is it because what you're seeing with the customers? How are you deciding that?
Well, as you point out, the coronavirus is something that everyone in the market is having to navigate. It's a very dynamic situation. It certainly is one that we've been focused on a couple priorities. First is to focus on the health and well-being of our Starbucks partners. And second, then, our relationship with local health officials and the government to help support them as they contain the virus. Now, if you think about it, through Chinese New Year's, we typically have a number of our stores closed anyways. These are stores oftentimes in office buildings where for Chinese New Year's there's nobody's working, so we close those stores anyway. Those stores have been closed. But then if you look at things like the Hubei province, where the city of Wuhan, where this originated, the entire province is really under a lot of restrictions. So all the stores in Hubei province are closed. And then we work, in occasions, landlords or governments might ask us to close certain stores. Perhaps they're stores near hospitals or universities or tourist locations. And so we're being very thoughtful about how we do that. We have closed more than half of our stores at this point, and it's day to day. We work very closely to ensure we're making thoughtful decisions. And for the stores that are open, we're ensuring the safety of our partners and customers. We have masks and sanitizers. But we also, our Starbucks Delivers in China is another vehicle that for the stores that are open are able to service customers. Now, this really is a temporary issue, and we're going to get through it, and we're going to do it. We're going to focus on this in a way that's true to our mission and values. And, and we'll navigate past this, and it'll be sort of a temporary issue as we think about the long-term growth opportunity in China. We remain optimistic.
I know you're monitoring this very closely, Kevin. Where are we today, and are you getting the information from the government, from the authorities that you need to make informed decisions?
Yeah, David, we've been in China now over 20 years, and so certainly we have very strong relationships with central government, with provincial government, and with local governments that we operate in. And we want to be a responsible partner to them as they work hard to contain this virus. And so, we get regular updates and communications, and our team in China, led by Belinda Wong and Liu Tsoi, they are doing a fantastic job. We're in constant communications with them. And it's very dynamic. Day to day, we're making decisions. And, certainly the Chinese New Year was extended till February 2nd. And so there's another milestone. I think the government's encouraging people to work from home that first week. So then around February 10th, we expect, people to be more in office buildings. And so we're just going to continue to do what we believe is right for Starbucks in support of our partners in that market. And it's day to day.